What if I told you that 2 simple fruits you can find almost anywhere could actually help you burn fat, reduce cravings, and lose weight faster? Most people trying to lose weight focus on complicated diets, but sometimes the simplest foods make the biggest difference. And today, I'm going to show you 2 powerful fruits that nutrition experts often recommend for weight loss. But stay until the end, because the second fruit might surprise you. When people try to lose weight, they often cut out sweets completely. But the truth is, the right natural sugars from fruits can actually help control hunger and reduce overeating. Certain fruits are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients that help your body feel full for longer. Today we're looking at 2 of the best fruits that can support your weight loss journey. Fruit number 1, apple. The first fruit is something you probably already have in your kitchen, the humble apple. But don't underestimate it. Apples are one of the most powerful weight loss-friendly fruits. Here's why. First, apples are very high in fiber, especially if you eat them with the skin. Fiber slows down digestion, which means you stay full longer and avoid unnecessary snacking. Second, apples contain a lot of water, about 85%. Foods with high water content naturally make you feel satisfied without adding too many calories. And here's an interesting trick many nutritionists recommend. Eat an apple about 20 minutes before your meal. Studies suggest that people who do this often end up eating fewer calories during the meal. That simple habit alone can make a huge difference over time. Plus, apples are naturally sweet, so they can help reduce cravings for sugary snacks and desserts. But if you think apples are impressive, wait until you hear about the next fruit. Don't forget to share to that one friend or person you know is on a weight loss journey, and of course subscribe. The second fruit that can support weight loss is strawberries. And the best part, they taste like dessert. Strawberries are extremely low in calories, but they are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. A full cup of strawberries has only around 50 calories, which makes them perfect for anyone trying to reduce calorie intake. But their real secret is how they help control hunger. Because strawberries contain fiber and water, they help you feel full while satisfying your sweet tooth naturally. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks like cookies or candy. Another interesting benefit is that strawberries contain compounds that may support healthy metabolism and blood sugar balance. Stable blood sugar levels are important because sudden spikes and crashes can lead to strong hunger and cravings. So by adding strawberries to your diet, you're not just eating something delicious. You're also helping your body stay balanced. Losing weight doesn't always require complicated diets or expensive supplements. Sometimes the best solutions are simple, natural, and already available in your kitchen. Adding fruits like apple and strawberry to your daily diet can help you feel fuller, reduce cravings, and support healthy weight management. Small habits done consistently can create big results over time. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about simple foods that can improve your health and help with weight loss, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And remember, sometimes the smallest changes lead to the biggest transformations.